A man indicted on charges of vehicular homicide and driving under the influence. He was in court earlier today.
Yes, and so our Chase Bachman has been following this story for months. Chase, what can you tell us now?
Well, Jeff, Tatiana, James Baker Jr. was arraigned in Sandusky County Court this morning. This all goes back to the crash on Route 6 that killed a BGSU student in September. WTOL 11 spoke with the student's family, and they say the story does not end here. At Sandusky County Courthouse, a judge met with James Baker Jr., the man charged in the death of Ryan Walker.
Needless to say, it was difficult to see the defendant and hold my peace, but I did.
Officials indicted Baker in December on charges of aggravated vehicular homicide and driving under the influence. Police charged Baker in relation to the four-vehicle crash that killed the BGSU student and injured at least 8 others.
My son should have survived this. If you're not going to take drunk drivers off the road, well, then you better make the vehicle safer so they can survive when they get struck.
Baker faces anywhere from 2 to 8 years in prison if found guilty of vehicular homicide, but Walker's mother says it's not enough.
I'm looking to push between 16 to 20 years for a drunk driver who takes an innocent life.
Walker says she's determined to change Ohio's drunk driving penalties.
I plan on going out there and changing the law, changing the penalties. We're not going to do no little 2 to 8 years. You took a life.
Walker says the best way to honor Ryan's memory is to strengthen the way the state punishes drunk driving.
I want them to know that it's only 2 to 8 years. Is your loved one's life worth only 2 to 8 years?
Now, Baker's arraignment is scheduled to be continued at a later date, which has not yet been set. Reporting live in studio tonight, Chase Bachman, WTOL 11.